Hello again, everyone. So here we're back with another example of finding the derivatives using the first principle. This time we have f of x equals to square root of 3x plus 2. So we start with f dash x equals to the limit as h approaches 0 of the square root of 3 and then bracket x plus h plus 2 minus square root of 3x plus h over h. Now we want to get rid of the squares in the numerator because it's easier for us later to get rid of the h's. Now what we do, we have to times the numerator and the denominator both by the reciprocal of the numerator. So the reciprocal of the numerator is going to be this square root of 3x plus h plus 2 and then plus instead of minus square root of 3x plus, that's not h, that should be 2, okay, divided by the same thing, so 3x plus h plus 2 and then plus 3x plus 2, square root of 3x plus 2. So what we'll do next is again f dash x equals to the limit as h approaches 0. Now I'm gonna again times the numerator in here of the reciprocal with the numerator here, getting rid of the square roots, but at the same time, to save time, I'm gonna do also get rid of the brackets. So what we're left with in the numerator is going to be 3x plus 3h. So I'm timesing the 3x again with the with 3 with the x and the h, okay, plus 2, and then in here is going to be left with the minus, also going to be times for the both, so it's going to be minus 3x minus 2 over h, and then in here is going to be bracket square root of 3 and then bracket x plus h plus 2 and then plus square root of 3x plus 2. Now we can simplify. 3x will go with the minus 3x and then the 2 will go with the minus 2. What we're left with is this f dash x equals to the limit as h approaches 0 of, in the numerator what's left is going to be 3h and there's h here and then there's going to be bracket square root of 3 bracket x plus h close bracket plus 2 and then plus 3x square root of 3x plus 2. Now we can get rid of the h's. So what we left now is this. So f dash x is equal to is the limit as h approaches 0 and then in the numerator what's left is 3. In the denominator what's left is going to be square root of 3x plus, so bracket 3x plus h plus 2 and then plus square root of 3x plus 2. Now we can apply h equal to 0 to the equation, and then what we get now is f dash x equals to 3 over, and then in the denominator if we apply h equal to 0, what's left is going to be 3x plus 2 square root of 3x plus 2 plus square root of 3x plus 2. And then eventually, if we want to tidy this up, it's going to be 3 over 2 square root of 3x plus 2. And that is the answer. See you next video.